Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to style my hair in like a sleek ponytail, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Yeah, because when you have natural hair, it's a struggle. Like, this doesn't happen all the time. So all right, so I'm just gonna like try to comb out these curls. So I went ahead and damped my hair so that the detangling process would be a bit easier. Okay guys, my hair is all combed out. Nice little fro situation going on. Love that. We're gonna be using Eva Styler gel, maybe a bit of edge control. I don't know, yeah, let's see. But we're gonna section my hair. So here I just sectioned the front part separate from the back, and I'm just combing it out. The key to a sleek updo or ponytail or whatever is brushing, and making sure that the sections are as detangled as possible, and it's a lot of work. So when I like do any updo with my hair, I use multiple scrunches. Okay, so the first one, we're not gonna do it too tight. We're just doing it to get the form, and then we go in with what we're gonna use to smooth the hair. After the hair is sectioned and detangled, you're gonna add product. In this case, I'm using gel to smooth and just lay my hair. Do brush and brush and brush and brush. So I got the back to where I wanted it, so I just added another scrunchie to get my hair out of the way. So after I got the back section how I wanted it, I proceeded to apply some gel to the front and brushed, same process, just brush the hairs in the direction you want them to go, how you want them to lay, and you do that until you're happy with it, and then yeah. So after you get it in the direction you want it to lay, we add another scrunchie. And yes, I use like 3 to 4 scrunchies when I'm doing a sleek ponytail. Okay, so here I finally like laid the hair out how I wanted it. So to remove the first scrunchie, right, the one that was like keeping my ends together, and then I re-added a scrunchie to make sure I got the hair as tight as possible. Here I just added some mousse to my hair to prevent frizzing and to just keep the hair nice and in position. So doing my baby hairs, I prefer to like use a comb. So I added edge control to the section I was working with, and then like comb the hairs in the direction that I want the hairs to lay. Lastly, and one of the most important steps in my opinion, is just tying it down so that the hairs stay in place while it dries, because we know natural hair likes to curl up and just be all over the place. So this helps to keep it tamed. And now to see the results, guys. So I think I let it dry for about 15 to 30 minutes, and this is how it came out. I was absolutely in love with the final look. Like, my hair was laid for days. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.